Welcome to an enlightening journey into the world of pet snakes. Today, we delve into the essentials of snake care. It's important to understand that these magnificent creatures have unique needs and require a certain level of commitment. We'll be exploring various aspects of snake care, from creating a suitable living environment, feeding, handling, and grooming, to understanding their behavior. Each element is vital to ensure your pet snake thrives. Join us as we unravel the fascinating world of caring for these unique creatures. A snake's habitat is its sanctuary. Providing a suitable living environment is crucial. Imagine the terrarium as a mini ecosystem that replicates the snake's natural habitat. It's not just about putting your pet in a box, it's about creating a home where it can thrive. Central to this habitat is the substrate, the material that forms the bottom layer of the terrarium. This could be aspen shavings, cypress mulch, or even newspaper. It provides a surface for your snake to move on, aids in maintaining humidity, and will also play a role in your pet's burrowing activities. And speaking of burrowing, hiding spots are essential. In the wild, snakes spend a lot of time hidden away, so providing hiding spots in the form of caves or hollow logs can help your snake feel secure and less stressed. Similarly, branches are not just decorative, but functional too. They provide a space for your snake to climb and explore, fostering natural behaviors and exercise. Now, let's shed some light on the subject. Proper lighting and heating systems are vital. Snakes are ectothermic, meaning they depend on their environment to regulate their body temperature. Therefore, you'll need a heating system to create a temperature gradient, allowing your snake to self-regulate its body heat. And lighting? It helps to establish a day-night cycle, which is important for your snake's overall health and well-being. Temperature and humidity are two sides of the same coin. Snakes need specific temperature and humidity levels to thrive. These levels vary depending on the type of snake, so it's crucial to research and maintain these conditions. Too cold, and your snake may become lethargic. Too dry, and it could have trouble shedding its skin. So, having a well-equipped terrarium is not just about aesthetics. It's about providing a suitable living environment tailored to your snake's specific needs. It's about recreating a slice of the wild in the comfort of your home, allowing your pet to express its natural behaviors while also keeping it safe and healthy. Creating a home-like environment for your snake is the first step towards its well-being. Feeding your snake correctly is vital for its health and longevity. Snakes are carnivorous creatures, and their diet in captivity should mirror what they eat in the wild. Depending on the snake species, their menu may include rodents, birds, eggs, or even other reptiles. Food preparation is simple. Frozen prey, generally available at pet stores, is the easiest and safest option. It's important to thaw the frozen food completely before feeding your snake, as cold food can cause health problems. When it's feeding time, use feeding tongs to present the prey to your snake. This keeps your fingers at a safe distance and helps the snake associate the tongs with food, not your hand. Snakes typically eat once a week, but this can vary depending on the snake's age, size, and species. And remember, overfeeding can lead to obesity, so it's essential to strike the right balance. Remember, a well-fed snake is a happy snake. Handling your snake correctly not only ensures its comfort, but also strengthens your bond. When it comes to picking up your snake, it's all about finesse. Approach your snake slowly and gently, making sure to support its body fully. Never grab your snake by its tail or head, as this can cause stress and possible injury. Your snake may enjoy wrapping around your hand or arm, creating a living bracelet of sorts. It's an amazing feeling, having this exquisite creature trust you enough to unwind in your grip. Remember, every snake is different, and some may prefer less handling than others. Respect your snake's boundaries and monitor its reaction to handling. Regular, gentle contact is key in building a relationship with your snake. This isn't just about taming your snake, but about forming an understanding. You're teaching your snake that you're not a threat, and in return, your snake will become more comfortable and relaxed around you. It's important to note that during shedding periods, your snake may prefer to be left alone. This is a stressful time for them, and they may react negatively to handling. Always be observant and attentive to your snake's behavior. Building trust with your snake takes time, but it's a rewarding experience. Every moment spent with your snake is an opportunity to deepen your bond and enrich your shared journey. So, handle with care and enjoy the beautiful relationship that unfolds. Sanitation is key in snake care. A clean habitat means a healthy snake. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of keeping your slithering friend's home clean and cozy. First things first, cleaning the terrarium. it's essential to do a deep clean at least once a month. This involves removing your snake and any decorations, then scrubbing the tank with a reptile-safe disinfectant. Rinse thoroughly and let it dry before putting everything back in place. Next, let's talk substrate. This is the material that lines the bottom of your snake's terrarium. It's crucial for maintaining humidity and providing a comfortable surface for your snake to slither on. Substrate should be changed regularly, about once every 2 to 4 weeks, depending on your snake's size and species. Some popular choices are aspen shavings, coconut fiber, and newspaper. Lastly, hygiene. Snakes, like us, can suffer from bacterial and fungal infections. So, it's important to spot clean any waste or uneaten food daily. It's also a good idea to check your snake for any signs of illness, such as abnormal skin color or behavior. Remember, a clean environment is a happy environment, and a happy snake makes for a satisfied snake owner. As you can see, maintaining cleanliness is not a huge task, but it's an important one. The joy of seeing your snake thrive in a clean, healthy habitat is well worth the effort. Maintaining cleanliness is a small price to pay for your snake's health and happiness. Snakes have intriguing behaviors and characteristics that make them fascinating pets. So, let's dive into some snake behaviors and fun facts. Did you know that snakes, like our slithering friends, the royal python or the corn snake, use their tongues to smell? Yes, you heard it right. By flicking their forked tongues in the air, they catch tiny particles which are then processed by a special organ in the roof of their mouth, allowing them to taste their surroundings. Another fascinating behavior is their way of moving. Snakes slither by contracting and relaxing their muscles in waves, a mesmerizing sight to behold. Let's talk about shedding. Snakes shed their skin in a process called ecdysis, which is a healthy and natural part of their growth. A snake in shed can be identified by a dull, hazy look to their scales, and you might even notice their eyes turning a milky blue. Here's a fun fact. Snakes are deaf. They don't have external ears like us. Instead, they sense vibrations in the ground to get a sense of their surroundings. And lastly, snakes are cold-blooded, meaning they rely on their environment to regulate their body temperature. This is why a well-maintained terrarium with the right temperature and humidity levels is so crucial for their well-being. Understanding your snake's behavior is part of the joy of snake ownership. Caring for a pet snake is a unique and rewarding experience. We've covered creating a suitable living environment, feeding practices, handling and taming, cleaning and grooming, and understanding snake behavior. These are the key pillars to ensuring your slithery friend thrives. It's a journey filled with learning and fascinating discoveries. Remember, with the right care and understanding, your snake can be more than a pet, it can be a companion.